everyone, and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this super easy, super fun, lightning inspired nail art. This design is super simple and you'll absolutely love the results, so let's get started. So we're first going in with the base coat. To start off, I'm going to apply 2 thin coats of Snow White to the nail. This is a beautiful white base that really makes the lightning effect pop. Make sure each coat is cured in the lamp before moving on. So step 2 is the blooming gel application. So I'll go in with our blooming gel, apply a nice thin layer of this over the cured white base, and remember, don't cure it just yet. So step 3 is going to be creating the lightning effect. Using Supersonic Gel, I'm going to dab and drag the colour onto the wet layer of blooming gel. Make sure not to overmix it so you get that beautiful natural transition effect as the gel blooms on its own. If you feel there's too much product in one spot, just gently remove the excess, and once you're happy with how it looks, we're going to cure it in the lamp. So finally, to seal the design, I'll apply a layer of the Urban Graffiti top coat. For this tutorial, I've done both a shiny version and a matte version, so you can decide which one you love most. Pop it in the lamp to cure, and voila! And that's it guys, 2 versions of this super easy lightning inspired nail art, one shiny and one matte. Personally, I think the matte one gives off a more realistic lightning vibe, but the glossy one reminds me of glowing water, which is just as gorgeous. So let me know in the comments which one is your favourite. So if you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Naio Nails channel, and let me know what you'd like to see in our next video. And as always, take care, bye for now.